Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, the ultimate kitchen game changer that makes meal prep incredibly simple. If you're looking to save time and revolutionize your cooking, this is the appliance you need to consider buying. This single device truly replaces 9 different kitchen gadgets, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, sterilizer, and more. Forget complicated recipes. With 15 smart, customizable programs, you can whip up delicious meals like chili, cake, or perfect eggs with just the touch of a button. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced technology, ensuring consistent, perfectly cooked results every single time, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means healthier cooking without non-stick coatings and effortless cleanup, a huge win for any busy kitchen. Thinking about upgrading your cooking setup? You can find the best deal on this fantastic Instant Pot Duo Plus by clicking the Amazon link in my description below. It's an essential kitchen appliance that helps you prepare healthier, quicker meals for your family, making dinner dilemmas a thing of the past. If you're searching for the ultimate kitchen companion that combines efficiency and versatility, this Instant Pot is truly worth the investment. Seriously, for anyone serious about improving their home cooking in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my top recommendation. You won't regret this purchase.